Do these 3 things I'm about to share with you in this video, and you're going to see how your watch hours will increase massively. Like, guys, this really works like magic. This is what I've tried recently on my channel, and I can see results. And I also share it with one of my friends later for her to try it on her channel, and she's also seeing great results. Her watch hours is also increasing, and I believe that after watching this video and you also try it on your channel, you're going to see great results. This is what a lot of big creators out there are doing in the channel, and I noticed that a lot of small YouTubers or a lot of small creators don't do these things on their channel, and it hurts me the most because we don't know that little things matters. Don't do shortcuts. Especially as a new YouTuber that you are still trying to get your channel noticed, you are still trying to get your right audience. Make sure you try to implement everything on your channel. Don't just do part of it and leave some parts. How are you going to get complete results? You're not going to get complete results, but once you start doing all of this in your channel, you're going to see results. In short, after I finish watching this video, just go to all those big creators, check their channel or check the videos and confirm this, and you're still going to see it there. So you know that I'm not just here blabbing. This is what a lot of people are doing, and it's working. I'll advise patiently watch this video to the end, because these 3 methods I want to share with you works together. It's step by step, and please don't skip anyone because you might skip the most important part of the video. So please just pay attention and try to implement this in your channel or in your videos after watching this video. So if you feel this video is beautiful for you to watch, please hit thumbs up, share, and also join this beautiful family. What are you waiting for? You're welcome. So now let's dive straight to the video. For us to increase our watch hours massively, the first on our list is adding videos links to your description. Yes, it is very important for us to add video links to our description. I know you'll be wondering, how does adding video links to our description have to do with watch hours? You see, all these things, they are just sense. You all know that we have to get the views before we get watch hours, right? And before we get watch hours, we just have to do some things that is going to give us views for our watch hours to increase. You all know that how it is very difficult for us to get watch hours in this YouTube street, especially for one particular video. For you to get up to 20 watch hours, it is very difficult, and it's not every time a lot of people will come and watch our videos, right? So we have to do all this little trick. So all you need to do, make sure that after uploading your videos, whichever way you use to upload your video, maybe from the YouTube app or from your YouTube Studio dashboard, just go to your description. After writing your description, make sure your description is not that long, but let it just be straightforward concerning what the video is all about, maybe 3 sentences or 4 sentences, right? Then after doing that, you add your tags. I'm not saying that you should go and add 10,000 tags or 20 tags. Just add like maybe 5 or 3 for important tags. Then after that, just go ahead at the down of the description and paste that your video link there. So reasons, don't feel that you paste it there, nobody will watch. Who's told you that nobody will watch? Definitely somebody will watch, because before a viewer will watch your video, what they will do first is to click on that description to know what that video is all about, and definitely they will scroll down to want to get, if they're interested, to watch more of your video, and immediately they click on that link, it will take them directly to your video and they will watch. Just imagine how many persons click on that link to watch your video. Do you know the kind of watch hours you're going to get? So you see why it's very important. So if you are not doing it now, just start doing it and just try it for weeks. You just see how your watch hours will be increasing. You understand? So the second on our list that is very important is creating playlists. I've been saying this 1,000 times that it is very important for us to create playlists, which I've noticed that I opened a new creator channel, right? She doesn't have a playlist, and I was like, why are you not making use of this feature? She said it doesn't really matter. I was like, who told you it doesn't matter? Playlist plays the major role of getting views and watch hours in your YouTube channel. If you don't know, you know this now. It plays a major role, because for you to get the views and everything, you have to include playlists to most of all these your videos, your views increase. Now this is how playlist works. So if you've not created one, just go ahead and create it. I've dropped a video about how to create a playlist. You can just go and watch any of my video for you to know how to create playlists, right? I don't want this video to be too long, so I won't be going back to that process right now. So this is how playlists work. If you don't understand how playlists work, video, make sure you add those playlists in your description too. Playlist is just like you give it a title, and inside that one particular title you have like you can have up to 20 videos, 10 videos, and so on. Just depends on how many videos you get, right? And if one person should click on that particular playlist that has a lot of videos, do you know that that is a plus on your watch hours? And once that person finish watching that particular video on your playlist, YouTube will just be recommending your videos to that person. Like, YouTube is not going to recommend any other video to that person. It's just your video. YouTube will recommend it to person. This is not as if I'm just talking, right? I also tried it with my other channel. I use my other channel to watch my playlist, and I noticed that YouTube was just recommending my videos to that my account. You understand? So it works. So if you doubt me, you can use, if you have another account, you can also use it to watch your playlist, and you see how this thing works. This is just how it works. The little things we think it doesn't matter, it really matters. Now I'm going to be sharing with you the third place for you to have this playlist that can increase your watch hours massively. That is why you have to be patient to the end of this video for you to get everything step by step on how these things really work. So now imagine putting that particular playlist link. All you need to do is just for you to click on your playlist, then you copy the playlist link and you paste it on your description. It really matters. Just imagine that maybe you have 10 persons watch your videos and they click on that particular playlist as a growing YouTuber, right? And they click on that particular playlist to watch your video. Did you know the amount of views? And you all know that the more people watch our video, the more the video is being recommended to more people. But on our list is adding end screen and cards. Like, it is very important for us to add end screen and cards. Like, I don't know why a lot of us are not adding end screen and cards. I've watched a lot of small creators too. I've watched the video. At the end of the day, I would say that they did not have end screen. Did you know that end screen is just like advertising more of your videos to your viewer, letting them know that you have other interesting videos for them to watch, that is very helpful, that is of value for them to watch? And this end screen is very important because you can also add your playlist to your end screen, and you can add as many videos you want. You see how very important it is. End screen is just those small boxes that you will see at the end of your video. You have to make use of that feature for it to be possible, for it to be visible out there for your viewers to click on it. So just imagine how many persons watch your video to the end and they click on that box to watch your video. Did you know how your views is going to increase and how your watch hours is also increasing? So cards is just like the title of your video appearing in your screen, telling your viewers also that you still have interesting video that is of value for them to watch. And it's just like after them watching that particular video, they will go and watch the rest video that has appeared in the screen. So you see how it works. And even in that card, you can also add playlists, you can also add other videos. You see how all these things work. We have to pay attention to all these things. So if you know you don't have playlists in your channel, just know that you are missing a lot. Just know that you are really missing a lot. How do you want your watch hours to grow? How are we going to do it? All these things, we have to make use of them for us to grow our channel. If we really want to grow in this YouTube street, it's not magic. We are the one that is making use of all those features for it to increase our views and watch hours, right? First thing I just want to say it as a bonus is live stream. Live stream is very sweet. It's very, very important. Used to do live stream. I've gotten like 20 watch hours from just a particular live stream. Yes, so it is very important. The reason why I don't normally go live now, because of some kind of reasons, network and so on. That is why I don't really go live. But if you know you have a good network, please just go live, because live stream also increase watch hours. Just imagine you have maybe thousands of person come to watch live stream. Do you know how many watch hours you're going to get? So it is very important for us to live stream. I would not say that you should go and restream, because me myself, I don't even like restream at all, because restream has a lot of complications. It can lead to demonetization. No matter how careful you are, it can lead to copyright strike and all that. So I won't even advise you to even go and restream. But if you know you want to do, that is for you. But I won't advise you to go and restream, because it has a lot of complications. So no matter how careful you want to try to be, it will just go and land you in what you don't really like. So you see these 4 steps I've listed. Once you start doing all of this in your channel, believe me, you're going to see results. You're going to see how your watch hours. Just start doing it and study your YouTube Studio. If you know you don't have YouTube Studio app, just go ahead and download it. Study your YouTube Studio app, and you also see where your watch hours are coming from. All these are very, very, very important. Study it to know where your views are coming from and where your watch hours are coming from, so you know the place you need to improve on. So if you feel this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video so to get a whole lot of people that don't know about these 4 beautiful steps on how to get watch hours I've shared with you in this video. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. See you on our next video, guys. Bye.